have to be up close with a microscope to see my lace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Neicy Golden. Welcome. Today I'll be doing a wig install featuring Hermosa hair. So let's get into this install. Okay, so first up, let's get into the goodies. So of course we have the wig. This is a 26 inches deep curl wig. Before we look at that, let's look at the goodies. We have a wig band, lashes. Ooh, I've never gotten these before. Press-on nails. Ooh, these are some cute makeup brushes. Look how cute those are. And of course, HD wig caps. These are my favorite wig caps because it just makes the melt so much easier when you have a thin ball cap method. So I love HD caps for the ball cap method because it makes the install so much more easy and seamless. So yeah, stack up on HD caps. Okay, so the curls are super soft and luscious. I really like this texture actually, so I think I'm gonna keep this wig. Everything is already done for you with this wig. It's already pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-cut in zigzag lines, so you know the lace is not going to be easy to see because it's cut in a zigzag motions, pre-plucked and everything. The knots are bleached quite well and the knots are very fine. I love that about a glueless wig. So guess what, you can just throw this on and go where you're going. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some bronzer to the lace just to tint it so it can blend into my skin properly. Just look how quick and easy this is going to be. God damn. Just look how quick and easy this is going to be. Boom, you're done. Okay, so I put it on my head. Look, how much more easier do you want an install to be? It don't get no easier than this. It really doesn't. And look at that. You have to be up close with a microscope to see my lace. Like, lace where? Right, this is the only thing I'm going to be doing to the hair. I'm just going to be using my hot comb and my wax stick to lay the top flat. I am not even going to touch the curls, guys. That's how much I love this wig. Like, tell me this is not the easiest install you have seen. Like, there is nothing to do. Normally when you get a glueless wig, you have to do some form of manipulation. With this wig, I had to do none of that. Like, everything was just perfect. All I did was use the hot comb and my wax stick to flatten the top, and there you go. And if you want to wear it in a side part, you actually can. All you have to do is just bring it to the side. Bring this to the side and carve out a C part, but I like it in a bust down look. You know what I'm saying? Nothing, no glue, no melting spray, nothing.